Mitsubishi automatic pencil sharpener like I never seen before. There is a pencil like how sharp it is or how thick that is. So first of all, let's do on one and let's try it out. Like a regular. Okay. Wow, that is super pointy. That is amazing. That's so quick too. Let's say we need to resharpen it. Let's try it again. Every time, so quick. That is amazing. Okay, now let's try to do it all the way to 7. Broke it off, let's say, and it's going to be pretty quick. Oh wow, a little bit more. That's it. And it's much thicker. That is cool. Oh, it twisted it a little bit. And let's try to do somewhere in the middle. There you go. Now it's stopped. Not super pointy. That is cool. And let's try to do some right here. And there it is. It's not pointy. And all the way pointy. Beautiful. It is fast and very easy to set it which setting we want to set it on. Very cool. And all the shaving dust. Too bad in the shipping it got damaged a little bit. It was such a good quality. Sidewinder, a MacBook charger, winder, cord organizer. Let's see what it's all about. Okay. Cool. There's adapters. That's nice. Okay, how this open? To open, pull this end apart firmly, so it is tight. Ooh. Oops. Okay, that's cool. Now I have my charger, Apple charger. Ooh, this one is too big. This is one of my newest Apple charger. So let's try to get it for the smaller one. So apparently I can remove this insert and it will looks like work for the bigger one. There's my Apple charger, perfect fit now. Okay, and then all I have to do line up the magnets and it will wanna close and it keeps it together with the magnets, and all I have to do is just spin and it will roll up the wire and protect the charger from falling and so on. It's kind of nice. All my wires are mixed up together so bad inside the carry-on backpack, like a laptop bag with all the headphones and everything. Now I don't have to worry about this wire and it's nicely protected. Easily a everyday carry pry bar, a bottle opener, keychain. There's some information about it. Vice and Anvil Tactical, that's a brand. So there you go, there's a crack, alligator, whatever. So this is right here, a bottle opener. There's a couple of wrenches and there's a pry bar. Beautiful, I love it. Titanium, lightweight, and the screwdriver will be pretty easy to pull out. All I have to do is just twist this and remove it and take it out and then plug it back in. Very cool little everyday carry tool, super lightweight and stylish. Next I got right here Mantis collaboration with G&G Hack. There's right here level. This is called gear knife. Super cool. Check this out. And it's a gear head. Locks in, frame lock, no, liner lock, partially serrated. Very cool. So easy to just push a trigger and it opens. And there's a 3 little gears. Actually 1, 2, 3 and 4. Amazing. Next I got right here Milwaukee person flip utility knife 5-in-1, and there's in the back right here screwdriver, bottle opener. Let's unbox it, see what it's all about. There it is. Liner lock. There's a push of a button. No. Okay. What did they say? Okay. Press and flip. So press, flip. Okay, it's all in the wrist. That's cool. Press. Okay. Quite tight, but there it is. Quite unique. Okay. And there's a utility tool, screwdriver with a replaceable bit. Ooh, there's a double-sided, nice. Don't think it's a magnet, but it sits in there quite tight. Very nice. That just lock it. Now there's a liner lock here too as well. Bottle opener. What else kind of tools we have? I only found 3 tools so far. I guess the screwdriver is a multiple tool as well, and that's like 3-in-1 right here, and 4-5. Cool, I like it. And this one is a press and flip fastback utility knife, 6-in-1. Oh, let's open that. Okay, gotta be careful. Open blade. No, it has a protection here. Okay, the blade is not connected together. That's fine. Okay, that's smart. Okay, first of all, how do we do this? Okay, very simple. Push a button. All we have to do is just slide it in and lock it. There's a rope cutter. There's utility blade. Ooh, that is much softer than the knife. Wow. But it's kind of don't have to let go super like in the middle. Kind of like when it attaches here, let go of the button. Same thing closing it. Closing it is even easier. It actually doesn't balance. It actually doesn't bounce. A lot of times when I close the knives like this, it would bounce. So I don't have to let go in the middle. Very nice movement. There's a bottle opener. Screwdriver. Well, liner lock. Ooh, what is this? Okay. There's a couple tools in here, like in wall. Linear hole. Very good, decent multi-tool over here, utility tool. I like it. And the best part is, oh, what is this? Nail grabber. I have to press it, then open it. But if I need to pull it out and cut something, once one of my hands is busy holding it, boom, open it. And to replace the blade, simple, replace it. Amazing. Next I got it here, 5-second razor sharpener. So it opens this way, boom, opens up. It will push the blade up and down. Let's see. Locks in into here. And when we'll close it, these metal pieces are raised and apparently will sharpen the blade. So close it and oh, much tighter. Sharpen it for 5 seconds because that's what it says right here. 5 seconds sharpener. Very cool. Now it's sharpened. Open it. Boom. Sharpened razor. Very cool. I like it. There it is, and fits pocket.